Hard times are coming. Layoffs are picking up steam and inflation isn't going nowhere. Imagine if groceries double and you can't even get a job at McDonald's because a 70-year-old granny beat you to the online only application. What will you do then to survive? Keep watching and I will introduce you to a day trading plan that could be your financial arc. My name is JD. I am a technical analysis strategist. I teach struggling retail traders how to pass prop firm challenges and improve their overall trading performance. You could be the next AQ Horton who just made the 1500 to pass a 25K challenge and thanked me for my teachings. So the crash is coming, people. Gold, Bitcoin, and silver are all rising together. That is a clear sign a crash is upon us. Just look at what the S&P did on October 10th, 2025. They say it's because Trump tweeted. Don't drink that Kool-Aid. The crash is on us. Trading has always represented freedom to me. Now it's representing survival. Having the knowledge to enter a market and leave with profits is priceless. Everyone is talking about cars and clothes. What about being able to make rent or keep the lights on because you took a breakout pullback trade yesterday that worked? I personally see futures trading as an arc for the financial flood that is about to hit the world, not just the poor citizens of the US. Yes, I said it, poor citizens of the US. Don't believe the Instagram hype. Most Americans are on the financial struggle bus. The truly sad part is most Americans are watching football, playing video games, or watching Housewives of some city, while they're living in the most powerful country in the world that's broke. Hey, listen, people, if you do not believe we are broke, look at the national debt and the US GDP and show me how you get a positive number. Don't wait until the crisis hits. Try to learn how to trade now. If you have been trading as a side hustle, it's time to go hard. Here is the plan. If you need to position yourself fast, okay, take the prop firm path. With Take Profit Trader, you get a 25K account around $100, even when there's no sales going on, okay? Their program only requires you to trade 5 days to prove your skills. If you can make the 1500 like AQ Horton did, you then can get a Pro Plus account and are now eligible for daily payouts. Take Profit Trader is my prop firm of choice. I am an affiliate, but truly loyal customer. I started with them and refused to try other firms, and other firms are emailing me offering to pay me to use their platform. No gracias. I only use the best. Right now, that's Take Profit Trader. Use code 1121. The best time to learn how to trade was yesterday. The next best time is today. So get on it today. All right. So it's time for some work study. Roll it. Hey guys, how's it going? Today is October 13th, 2025. This will be our chart lesson for today. So we're just going to look at the ES today. We're going to start at the beginning of the session, see if we can get a trade at the open, but we got a boring one cooking so far. So, all right, guys, right out the gate, we got, man, a major gap. I mean, we got 20 points, all right? I'm not big on gap. I'm not saying that we should follow any type of gap trading strategy. It's just something to pay attention to, that typically the market is going to fill this gap at some point. It don't have to happen. It does not have to happen today. It can happen 3 days from now. But at some point, usually the market fills gaps. So we got a gap on the chart just to open the market up this week. Then we did nothing but move sideways. I mean, I'm not finna look at that. I mean, this is nothing. This is sideways action. But your trusty 21 EMA. So we were under the 21 EMA. We gapped up. That changed the bias right there, right? Changed the bias to long. Then we kind of stayed above the 21 EMA. So the bias is still long, but then we back under the 21 EMA here. Now we're under for a significant amount of time. Range, people, we're moving sideways. When the EMA looks like a roller coaster, especially when it's straight across like this, we're ranging. And the reason we're probably going to range today is because we dropped like 180 points Friday, pulled back some, but I mean, anything over 100-point drop is that's a crash, people. That's the start of a crash. I could be wrong. What time? What year? Excuse me, I said what year. It's October. We probably should have started crashing in around September historically. So yeah, could be on. Anywho, doesn't matter to us. Market goes up, I win. Market go down, I win. Doesn't matter because I understand auction market theory. I understand price action. I understand rule 2, market cycle, ranges and breakouts, and what setups are going to come in those contexts. I don't care. Crash all you want. I'm going to make money on the way down. I'll make money on the way up. Just throwing that out there. We range. Ain't nothing to do. Today going to be boring, man. That's why I'm kind of going over this. So, I mean, that's it. So our current situation is we are in what I would call my key entry point zone. I like to enter from key entry point levels. So this level right here, and I know the number. No guessing around these parts. This is how I help people in my community, because I can just simply say, when you get to 67, 24, 25, look for a lower high setup or look for a breakout pullback. Most people can't say that, right? Most people who are trading, they're using indicators. They have no idea what's coming. They have no idea what they're looking for. People who trade with me, we know maybe an hour ahead of time, 30 minutes ahead of time, what setup is going to come and where on the chart it's going to happen. Hey, that's awesome. We got the knowledge to get wealth around these parts. So, man, 67.24, if we get up here and the EMA, man, if prices was to get up here and the EMA was still in the same spot or just a little bit higher, easy range fade. If we get up here and the EMA is real close to this level, we'll probably get a breakout pullback. Same thing going short, and that's it. There's nothing else really to analyze. I'm probably not going to do anything until we get to one of these levels. And so we're 67, wait a minute, 75, 25. Oh, this is a huge range. Oh my God, we're 50 points up and like 60, 70 points down or something? 78, what? This is it, okay. We are in a humongous range, all right? This is a huge range. Wow, we're in a huge range. So, this is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do. Let's see how we looking. Let's see, let's move this over, let's make this smaller. If we are in fact in a huge range, this is what it looks like. I mean, we're in a huge range, ain't no doubt. But we're also in a range, and that's what we're gonna trade from today. So bam, we are in a range. Let's get it some color so you can see. There it is. So we are in a range. So if I break out 66.45, I'm going short. If we break above 67.05, I'm going long. If I see any kind of rejection at these levels, like we get down here and just pause and start pushing up like this, I'm gonna go long, range fade. We get to the top right here and just pause, start pulling back down, I'm gonna go short, range fade. It probably happened as a low, push down, lower high, bang, or you get the WIFEY under that, bang. Same thing here. It happened like a low, push up, higher low, signal candle up, bang. It happened. That's how it happened. So let me draw that, because people was like, what did he just say? I'm gonna draw that because y'all be thinking these people thinking I'm playing out here. All right, let me show you how I know what setup is coming. Not just which direction to go. I know which setup is gonna happen because of the way we trade, because of our understanding of the markets. So let's draw it. If we push up here and we just bam, can't go no further, and then you get let's say a high, and then prices make a lower high, and then you get a signal candle to go short, I'm gonna go high, lower high. Same thing may happen at the bottom. We may touch this low, and then we push up and make a higher low, and then we may get a signal candle to go long. I'm gonna go range fade, and I already know it's gonna be a lower high or a higher low. Now, if we come through here and bam, you just get a big old candle out, I'm gonna do nothing. I'm gonna wait to see if prices come back and test this level, because that will give me my breakout pullback. If I get a signal candle out right here, I'm going bam, breakout pullback. Same thing here. If we come up here and we shoot out, but then we pull back, I'm gonna wait for that pullback. I look for a big, beautiful green candle out to signal the breakout pullback, and then bam, I go there. That's how we trade, and it's awesome because I already know what I'm looking for. It's either gonna be a higher low, lower high, WIFEY trade, breakout pullback, Wait for good signal candles. The setup is the key. If you can find a go-to setup, I have several, but if you can just find one go-to setup, you change your whole journey. Change your whole journey. All right. So that's the lesson for today, folks. We are in a range, Ain't nothing to do till we get here, 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 or here. I'm about to go make some breakfast. All right, market's gonna open up in 15 minutes. We'll see what happens when we get back. I expect this to be pretty slow, but we're in a huge range. So there's a lot of money to be made. There's a lot of money to be made because this range is huge. We're gonna see if we can make something today. Working. All right, folks, so we just made a low push up, higher low after trying to go short at the open, but we're smack dab in the center of this key entry point, man. It's just, we gotta wait to see what the market's gonna do. I think we're gonna bounce up here again. Never know. There's a line right here. I mean, damn. If we bounce up here and we away from the 21 EMA and get a strong candle down.
Order submitted.
If we break this line, we're gonna head to the top. Moment of truth. Are we gonna break out or are we gonna fail here? If we break, bam, we go with it. Here we come. What's gonna happen? Moment of truth. Coming short.
Order filled.
We're in. We are in, expecting that we're gonna push down to the second leg. Ooh, I better get let me put my stop where it go because it might play with us. We might play around in this area here, push down, stay above structure. Stay under the 21 EMA, that'd be a good look here. Here we go. If we can get this wifey, if it creates the wifey look here. Ooh, that was a lot of rejection. Rejection. We gotta trap them right here. Push down. If we push down strong here, they'll be trapped. See if we can push lower here. Yeah, man, straight across, y'all. All right, we're above structure. Expecting that we're gonna push down and make a second leg. If we can close strong here. Oh, great close, great close, great close. Here we go, push down now. Push down. There's the win. We should better keep trucking here. Close on your low. All right, if we push down right here, we may be in one. Push, push, push. There we go. Awesome close, awesome close. All right, we in one now, folks. We may be in a monster. If we break lower here, if we break lower right here, we're in a monster. Push down, give me the wifey. Give me the wifey lower, give me the wifey lower, give me the wifey lower. We got the wifey. We got the wifey, y'all. We got the wifey. We finna break out. We finna break out. We got it. We in one. We in one. Got the breakout. Grab a few more ticks here. We got it, y'all. We got it. Closing your low. Closing your low. Closing your low. We got them. They trapped. Oh, we making that money today. Let's see how much money we making, y'all. Let's see how much money we making today. We making that dough today. How much we making? Oh yeah, we making that dough today, fellas. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh yeah. Roll with your boy, okay? Hey, listen, if you need to learn how to trade, you need to learn how to read a price chart and trade with your boy. Let's get this money. Let's get this money. We're too far away from 21 in May. We should pull back now, so I'm definitely gonna lock in tight. Ain't trying to get back nothing, but we still dropping, y'all. We could drop one more leg. Bam, one more push. Break lower, break lower, break lower, right here, break lower. Tighten, come say easy money, bro. This that easy money. It's like that, Titan?
Easy money.
Easy money. Thanks, Titan. If we can survive here, if we push down here, I think we're probably gonna push up here. We're too far away from 21 MA.
Stop filled.
Awesome trade. Hey, listen, if you want to learn how to trade, you need to learn how to read a price chart. Scan this QR code or just comment below. Give me the guide, and I'm gonna send you finally funded. So until next time, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Bye-bye.